road and your fancy phone. Usually run into the bathroom with the Jingle Bear 2. With the Jingle Bear 2. That's it.
Booyah.
Ago. When you're walking down the road and your pants explode, you run into the bathroom with the Jingle Bear 2. Jingle Bear 2. Jingle Bear 2. Jingle Bear 2. And a Jingle Bear 2. Jingle Bear, Jingle Bear, Jingle Bear 2. Jingle Bear, Jingle Bear, Jingle Bear. Walking down the road with the Jingle Bear 2.
Do you want to really mess with me? Because I got some muscles here, okay? If you really wanna mess with me, you're gonna get something to mess with me.
Yeah, die, John. You better die.